Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. Due to increasing tensions in eastern Ladakh with China, India has taken a great step in safeguarding the nation and to be prepared for any challenge by deploying all the relevant powerful missiles and missile systems. To be more precise, India has deployed or installed the BrahMos and Nirbhay cruise missiles along with Akash surface to air missile systems in a bid to counter the Chinese unwanted steps to raise tension in this region. At this moment, it would be good to take a quick look about these missiles real quickly. So let us begin with BrahMos and we will go with the next ones one by one. The BrahMos is a supersonic cruise missile that can be launched from submarines, ships, aircrafts, or even from land. And this is a joint venture between Russia and India, who together have formed the BrahMos Aerospace. With the deployment of supersonic BrahMos cruise missile, which can be used to hit targets up to a range of 500 kilometers, this can easily target any camps and air bases of China. Not just that, even the Indian Air Force Sukhoi Su-30 MKI fighter jets can also carry the air-launched version of BrahMos cruise missile in order to hit the Chinese targets well within the Indian airspace. Sukhoi Su-30 MK along with BrahMos cruise missile forms a deadly combination to challenge China. India is also planning to use the Car Nicobar Air Base in India's island territories, which is the advanced landing ground for Sukhoi Su-30 MKI, and use them to create choke points in the Indian Ocean with the help of air-to-air refuelers to protect against any China warship threats. So that was a real quick information or an update about the BrahMos missile. Now coming to the Nirbhay missile. Nirbhay is a long-range, all-weather, subsonic cruise missile designed and developed in India by the Aeronautical Development Establishment of DRDO. This missile can be launched from multiple platforms and is capable of carrying conventional and nuclear warheads. Even though this missile is currently under development and undergoing flight trials, there are only a limited number of Nirbhay subsonic missiles that have been produced and deployed. This missile has a length of 6 meters, a width of 0.52 meters, and weighs around 1,500 kilograms. The Nirbhay missiles has a range of about 1,000 kilometers and is capable of delivering 24 different types of warheads between 200 and 300 kilograms. And all this is depending upon the mission requirements. The missile is claimed to have sea skimming and loitering capability, which is very vital for any missile to go around a target and perform several maneuvers and then re-engage the targets. Along the line of actual control, this missile will supplement the role played by BrahMos missile for the Indian Armed Forces by delivering warheads farther than the range of BrahMos. Many trials of this Nirbhay missile has happened in past to check its reliability. Now coming to the Akash surface-to-air missile systems. Akash is a medium-range mobile surface-to-air missile defense system which is developed by DRDO and produced by Bharat Dynamics Limited. This missile system can target aircrafts up to 35 to 40 kilometers away and at an altitude of up to 18,000 meters. It has the capability to neutralize aerial targets like fighter jets, cruise missiles, and air-to-surface missiles, and as well as ballistic missiles. The Akash missile system, which has Rajendra 3D passive electronically scanned array radar, using this it can track up to 64 targets and attack up to 12 of them. The missile has a 60 kilogram high explosive pre-fragmented warhead with proximity fuse. Not just these missiles like BrahMos, Akash or Nirbhay, in order to counter the Chinese People's Liberation Army, India has also deployed its T-90, T-72 tanks along with BMP-2 infantry combat vehicles. And these vehicles can operate at temperature up to minus 40 degrees Celsius. We know that China has ramped up efforts to deploy more troops along with a large number of fighter jets along the border region. It has also upgraded the infrastructure of its air bases, so India has to be prepared to face any challenge from these China guys. So this was a quick update on India deploying its long-range missile Nirbhay along with the missile BrahMos and Akash surface-to-air missile system. And all this is to deter the Chinese aggression along the line of actual control in eastern Ladakh. So I'm sure 500 kilometer range BrahMos cruise missile, 1,000-kilometer range Nirbhai cruise missiles, along with Akash surface-to-air missile system, which has the capability to target aerial threats 40 km, will obviously boost the protection of line of actual control from China. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.